Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be coming to you guys with a review on the Smile Direct Club toothbrush and the whitening toothpaste. I got them both from Walmart, 2 different trips. The toothbrush was $18.98. It was on rollback. It's originally $24.98 if you buy it online from Smile Direct Club, or you can find it locally in your Walmart. It's $18.98 right now. It's on rollback. The toothpaste is currently $3.98. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing for you. Here's the back of the box. Basically, all it's saying is there's a toothbrush in here with a holder and a case and a battery because it's an electric toothbrush. I will be doing a comparison video very soon because I also have the Quip toothbrush. I actually ordered the Quip online, but that's another video for another day. I'm struggling here. Alright, it's in a nice little white tray. First, it says put a ring on it. It's personalized silicone rings. I don't know what that means. So this is what happened. Oh, okay. This is what comes in the box originally. Ooh, okay. Everything's falling now. So about their aligners. If you didn't know, Smile Direct Club is kind of like an at-home Invisalign system. I personally I've thought about getting Smile Direct Club, but my dentist actually has their own version of aligners, so I went and I did a assessment with them. Okay, so here's the toothbrush. As you can see, it has like these little lines on it, and it says smile on the toothbrush head, and this is what the brushes look like. And it has the one button. I don't know if the battery's in here already. I'd assume so. As you can tell, like, it's removable head because you have to replace it every 3 months. Let's not be gross. Yeah, the battery's in already. It's ooh, Duracell, they fancy. It's not telling me if it's AA. I'm pretty sure it's a AA battery. So boom, you got you all ready to go. I'm going to give you a little what's it sound like. I'm pretty sure this is just a holder and has 2 little strips that you can stick wherever you're putting it in, and then boom, you can just hold the toothbrush holder. Nothing that special. Comes with the electric toothbrush guide. Okay, it's a AAA battery, guys. I just read that. So it's in a nice little foil package, as you can tell. So basically, it's to identify like if you and someone else in your house has it. So this is what they look like. 2 little, they're basically little rubber rings that you put on there. Nothing too crazy. Alright, now let's talk about this whitening toothpaste. It says brighten and defend your smile against cavities. Natural cool mint flavor. And it has fluoride in it for anti-cavity. It doesn't say that it has peroxide in it, and that's what usually the whitening ingredient is, so that kind of gives me a little bit of concern. But okay. I mean, it says whitening premium fluoride toothpaste, but I don't really see the ingredient that says it's supposed to be whitening. But that's none of my business. So here we go. Teeth whitening. hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.